Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your Teachable Instructor dashboard step by step. Follow these simple instructions to access your account and start managing your courses effectively. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Navigate to the Teachable website. In the address bar, type in teachable.com and press Enter. This will direct you to the Teachable homepage. Step 3. Click on Login. Once you're on the Teachable homepage, locate the Login button. It is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Teachable Instructor account in the designated field. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, type your password in the password field. Make sure to enter it correctly, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 6. Click on Login. After you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Step 7. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you will be prompted to enter the code sent to your mobile device or email. Enter the code and click Continue. Step 8. Access your instructor dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your instructor dashboard. Here, you can manage your courses, review student progress, and access all other features available to instructors. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your Teachable Instructor dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.